Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be resetting my bedroom. As you can see, it is a mess. There are clothes everywhere, and I'm also going to hit up my bathroom. If you need some serious midweek cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep on watching. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Let's get started. Guys, welcome to my new room. I know you all have seen my room before, but I don't think it was as furnished. So now I have all of my furniture in here. The main pieces are in here. I do want to do some more decorating in here. Like I want to get a new mirror. I want to figure out some artwork for over the bed. And I am definitely ordering curtains. I just have to measure the windows for that. And I want to have that done. The curtains in the whole house, actually, I want to have that done before Christmas. So I have things that I would like to do in this room just to make it feel a little more finished, but it's definitely so cozy in here. It's been the perfect fresh start bedroom for me. I feel so content, so peaceful, and it has just been a blessing. This space has truly been everything I needed it to be. After stripping my bed and getting rid of some of the trash and clutter on my nightstand, I am going to address the clothes. So I have been going into the office every single day since moving, which honestly has been great, and I think it's going to be great for my career too. But it just means I have way more clothes laying around, because normally in one day I have two outfits. I'll have my work outfit, and then I come home and have either loungewear or pajamas or workout clothes or whatever. So there's just so many clothes all the time. And then we've been so busy with the kids' sports and extracurriculars and band and everything. And then we have church. So just so many clothes. And here I'm just putting away some dry cleaning that I still have not taken out of the plastic yet. And I also ordered some clothes from Fashion Nova that I'm going to show you. I was actually ordering like a evening type dress, or like a nicer dress you could wear to a date night or something like that. I ordered a couple of those dresses, and I saw a whole lot of cute office stuff. So in a couple of seconds here, I'm going to show you some of those pieces, but just a few tops for fall. Super cute, and definitely has that preppy vibe. Well, what I would consider preppy as a millennial. I know it has a different meaning now for the younger people, but I just think it's super cute. So yeah, stay tuned for that in a few seconds here. One of these days, I'm going to go through this entire bin of belts and declutter them and try to figure out, because I need to rework some of them. I did lose a little bit of weight this year. I'm really proud of it, but that just means so many of my clothes and some of my belts just don't fit the same. For the belts, I can just add a hole in them, but then I'll have all that extra belt at the other side. And you know, sometimes that looks kind of weird. Anyway, long story short, I need to go through all these and figure out which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to donate. Let's take this overboard now. packing up my Fashion Nova trash right before I head downstairs in the basement to put my bedding in the wash. This is taken some getting used to, taking all of our laundry down in the basement, but I get my steps in, you know, whatever, by any means necessary. And I have really been enjoying our washing machine. We had to call maintenance to fix like a noise issue. It was like scratching or something, and they fixed it, but I've been loving it. I feel like the clothes get really clean. It's really efficient, and yeah, no complaints here. A few things from my order didn't fit, so I'm just going to pack those up and put them in my car to take them to the UPS store. After sorting these clothes for dry cleaning versus washing machine, I am heading into the bathroom where we are just going to clean the countertops, hit up the mirrors, the toilet, and then most importantly, the shower and the tub. My tub is so nasty. I don't even know what to say. I mean, I've washed my hair and, you know, done the scrubs and the mud masks and all the things in the last couple weeks, so I have lots of product buildup and everything all in the bottom of the tub, on the walls, for my hair slinging around. You all know how that happens. You know, you try to rinse it off, use a little shower stuff, but it's nothing like having a sponge to scrub it, so I'll do that later. I'm also having to get used to filming in this bathroom since I don't have so much space to set up the tripod. I have to figure out my angles, and I may need to invest in like an Octobuddy or something similar, something smaller, so I can get the angles, you know? I was making that face because I forgot to tilt my camera down, and I just totally missed me scrubbing my sink. I got the mirror and I just kept cleaning without tilting my camera. I'm just so rusty, guys. We're gonna do better.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind.
I have been loving my nightstands. They are from Walmart, and I love how much storage they give me since I don't have as much space in this place. But yeah, they've been great for organizing my additional makeup and some of my hair products. I've been putting my extra scarves and bonnets and makeup brushes and stuff in them. It's been super convenient. So yeah, I'm using the scrubbing bubbles to really get in there. As you can see, I have a lot of product buildup over here. Soap scum. It's just nasty. Okay, we're just gonna take a little bit of time and we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm not, and I am constantly reminded why I should be wearing gloves when I feel my hands and they are so rough and dry all the time. So yeah, remind me in the comments to please wear gloves, and also drop recommendations for gloves that don't make you overstimulated or feel like it's too many, like it's sensory overload, like too many things happening with the water and the steam and all of that. Yeah. So one thing I'm noticing is that with this tile, or maybe it's just because it's a rental, I'm I'm renting here that they do things to make things look nice, but like you can't really clean this grout because they have, I don't know if it's like paint or if it's not grout, or maybe it is. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about, but when you clean it too vigorously, it comes off. And then underneath, the actual grout is like a brown sandy color, which looks like dirt, but it's not dirt. It's just the color of the grout. Or maybe the grout is just stained or worn or just aged over time. I don't know. It's not giving clean if you scrub off the paint or whatever that white stuff is over top. So yeah, so if it looks like it's like, oh, you missed a spot in the grout, but it's like, no, I scrubbed off the stuff that was making it look clean, if that makes sense.
See, my days are cool without you. I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cool without you. Without you. Do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny.
After I have wiped down my nightstands, I am moving in with a vacuum. This vacuum is new. It is a Shark, and I had one of these in my apartment, and I really liked it. I love a new vacuum. There's nothing like a new corded vacuum that has like all the suction in the world. It's just so satisfying. That first clean, it just picks up so much stuff. Like, I have that stick vacuum. It's just not the same. It's not the same. Those battery powered ones are not the same as corded. You cannot convince me otherwise. I just no. So we have so many updates because I filmed getting this vacuum, but I just didn't put it together. So I do think I'm going to maybe put a vlog together, just giving you updates, because I've been filming clips since I've been kind of MIA on here. I still have been filming things. So may string that together and put that together for sort of a house update vlog, sort of. Our TV stand for the living room just got here too, so I'm really on a mission to get the living room together before the holidays. Thanksgiving is so close. It's so close. So I'm gonna try to get the curtains for my bedroom, curtains for the living room, and then get the TV stand set up so we can get stuff set up, and then it'll be time to put up the Christmas tree. Some people have already put their Christmas tree up, but I am gonna try to hold off until after Thanksgiving. Not far after Thanksgiving, but right after. And you know, on this channel, normally we would go get a real tree. We're reevaluating since the situation is a little bit different now, but there's nothing wrong with a beautiful artificial tree, especially if it's pre-lit.
Perhaps it was a way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy.
As you can see, it's much later. I threw on some jeans and a hat to just run errands, take Ethan to his football game. And now we're going to make our bed. When I say make my bed, just picture air quotes, because this is nothing fancy. I am actually looking for some new pillows. I saw some like hotel pillows or whatever from Amazon. These pillows are not good. These pillows are the ones I'm going to put on my bed are from either Marshall's or TJ Maxx or something like that. And when I moved in here, I just needed pillows to sleep with. So these were the first one that I had, and they're already, as you can see, flat. I mean, I can get them to fluff up, but they're just not what I'm looking for. So I'm on the hunt for some new pillows. I think I have the ones that I want in my Amazon cart. And yeah, so that'll help a lot, just sort of filling out the bed. But yeah, all that to say, I'm making my bed, but not making my bed because it's about time for me to go to bed. So it's not going to be the cutest, but the sheets are clean, the comforter is clean, pillowcases are fresh, and just know that this was an amazing, amazing sleep after I got out the shower. Nothing like it. And we are all done. There is nothing like a clean bedroom. My head feels clearer. It's just like the sun shines brighter when my room is clean and my kitchen sink is empty. It just does. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for hanging around, and thank you for sticking with me. I know it's been really inconsistent here, but I have such big goals for this channel next year, and I cannot wait to share it with you. Thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.